To see your wallet address on Binance, follow these steps. First, log into your Binance account using your username and password. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, enter the code sent to your phone or email. Once you are logged in, click on the Wallet tab at the top of the page. This will take you to your wallet overview page where you can view your balances and transaction history. From the Wallet Overview page, click on the Spot Wallet tab. This will take you to a page that lists all the cryptocurrencies you have in your Binance account. To find the wallet address for a specific cryptocurrency, click on the Deposit button next to it. This will take you to a page that displays the wallet address for that cryptocurrency. You can copy the wallet address by clicking on the Copy button next to it. This will copy the address to your clipboard, and you can then paste it into any other platform or wallet that requires it. It is essential to note that each cryptocurrency has a unique wallet address. So make sure you are copying the correct address for the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Additionally, be careful when sharing your wallet address, as anyone with access to it can send you funds, but they will not be able to withdraw any funds from your account without your password and two-factor authentication code. In conclusion, viewing your wallet address on Binance is a straightforward process that requires you to log into your account, navigate to the Wallet tab, and click on the Deposit button next to the cryptocurrency you want to receive. Always make sure to double-check the wallet address before sharing it with anyone. And never share your password or two-factor authentication code with anyone.